While on our 7-day Spanish road trip, we decided to leave the country for the British territory of Gibraltar. We were a little nervous about bringing our kids up the Mediterranean steps because of some reviews saying it was not suitable for children. But our kids have hiked much taller mountains back home, so we figured we would give it a try. So we're on the Mediterranean steps now. You do have to buy a ticket to be able to get on the trail. It was 18 pounds for adults and 12 pounds for kids. But it does get you into pretty much everything that's in the nature reserve. So we're gonna try and do as many things as we can. We already saw one monkey. They make me a little nervous, so I'm hoping we don't see a lot on the trails as we go. I was super nervous about the monkeys because we also heard they can be quite aggressive and even jump on your back and grab things out of your backpack. We opted not to bring a backpack because of that reason and just held a big water bottle for us to share. While on the steps, we saw the most beautiful views and was able to walk in and through several caves. So we decided to go up the Mediterranean stairs and then we'll go down the road because we felt like that was probably a safer bet with the kids. But we are going down a little bit as we're going up, and it's definitely more sketchy, more apt for slipping and falling when you're going down. So just FYI. So we hit the about last quarter mile where it's just straight up some stairs. We're pretty winded, but our kids are not novice hikers, as you can see in our other videos. So they're doing great. We've had little complaints about how they need water, but aside from that, they've done great. So I feel like if your kids are not novice hikers, they'll do totally fine. My kids are literally running up these stairs. Every time I get close to them, I think I'm catching up. They start running up the stairs. Once on the top of the rock, we were able to look into O'Hara's Battery, where we experienced our first tunnel. From there, we headed to St. Michael's Cave. I had no idea there was food on the rock, so just so you know, there is a little restaurant and gift shop right at the entrance of St. Michael's Cave. There is evidence that this cave was known to prehistoric people, and cave art has been dated back 20,000 years. Inside the cave is a rotating light show that goes off every 7 minutes or so. Although we were pretty tired of walking at this point, we knew that this was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see the World War II tunnels. So we had to walk to the other side of the rock. Once we were there, we were instructed to put on hard hats and we meandered through the tunnels. So we decided decided not to bring backpacks because we heard that the monkeys can jump on your back and try to take things from your backpack. But we haven't really seen that. The monkeys haven't been very aggressive, and we haven't noticed them jumping on people or anything like that. Just FYI, the majority of the monkeys we saw were sitting on Charles V wall, so take that into account if you would like to walk up it or not. As we were making our way back, we walked over the very wobbly Windsor Suspension Bridge. There is a 70-meter bridge that crosses a 50-meter gorge in the rock. This bridge is definitely moving as we're walking on it. It's a little bit creepy. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to see all that we did on our Spanish road trip, check out our vlog linked above. Thank you so much for watching.
Okay, where are we? What are we doing? Walking across the runway of Gibraltar.